It finally made it to Friday. Here's we take a live look outside right now. I'm meteorologist Stephanie Sine. A familiar sight, that is the pier off in the distance there. However, not so familiar, it's the fog. Such dense fog right along the coastline. This is sea fog, so it's when we have a big difference in the air mass temperature compared to the water temperature below, which of course ocean temperatures still quite chilly, I believe in the 40s. So big difference out there, which is why we're still tracking that coastal fog. Inland though, seeing some sunshine, some clouds mixing in, still pretty dry. Look at the wind, southerly wind 22 miles per hour. It's that warm southerly flow keeping us very mild today, 72 degrees at the moment. Some of you even warmer. Live radar right now, you can see some clouds rolling in ahead of our next rainmaker. Bill was just talking about this earlier, but our next cold front moving in overnight, bringing us the chance of maybe a few showers, maybe even a downpour or two. But the good news is this system will be out of here by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. So some good news there if you have any outdoor plans this weekend. A great weekend to maybe get some things done outside. Maybe you've been waiting for a nice warm weekend, or at least milder weekend. It'll be a nice one for that. In terms of future tracker timing, all of this moisture heading our way. You can see later on tonight. This is right around 11 o'clock this evening. Finally, this line of showers, maybe even a storm pushing through the area along our coastline. I mentioned it's a fast moving system, so as early as 3 a.m. we are drying out, especially by 9 a.m. Say if that's when you start off your weekends, not too bad to get outside and soak up some sunshine and some nice temperatures. And speaking of nice temperatures, a big difference though, really because of that temperature difference at the surface compared to what we're feeling in the air along the coastline with the fog situation, kind of goes hand in hand with our temperatures. We are much cooler along the coastline, still under that southerly flow, but look at inland spots, close to 80 in some areas. We're at 79 degrees in Orangeburg, 72 into Somerville and North Charleston. Definitely much cooler right along the coastline though. And you can see all of us trending quite a few degrees warmer than this time yesterday. Once again, it's really thanks to that wind direction, the air direction, all of this coming in from the south. And it is quite breezy. Definitely a fine afternoon to just sit outside, maybe on the porch when you get home. Not bad for that at all. Temperatures tonight staying pretty steady actually ahead of this front that will move through the area. Once again, chance of a few overnight showers. We're talking late though, around 11 o'clock, midnight. And then things will actually start to clear up through tomorrow morning. Overnight lows, though, not bad at all. 40s and 50s across the area. Hard to believe last week some of you were in the teens for low temperatures. Big difference out there. You can see our overnight lows get a little bit cooler Sunday into Monday mornings, but into next week, already a rebound with those overnight lows. So if you've been wishing for spring after last week's visit from winter, you'll like the 7-day forecast. For tomorrow, though, temperatures a little bit lower than what we felt today. In the 60s for most of the area, some of you hitting right around 70, but plenty of sunshine, especially once this front moves offshore. You can see that sunshine continues for the weekend, even into early next week. And look at those temperatures, almost 80 degrees toward the end of the week. That's it for your forecast. Let's check in on the roads. Dorian.
Thanks, Stephanie. And we do want to give you a first alert update with that accident on the James Island connector. We do have tow trucks that are on the scene right now.